Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today's video was not planned, but since I got to take home 2024 Porsche 911 Dakar that needs to go to DMV in my area at 8 a.m., I thought I will use this opportunity, get a few hours earlier, and on my way to DMV, I will stop to take some photos. And it's raining today in LA, which is not common, but I'm excited because I always wanted to take photos in the rain. So it's perfect. I have an amazing car and it's raining. So let's go. Ooh, NSX in front of us. We have arrived at our shoot spot. One thing I feel bad about is that the roof rack is missing few accessories. We took them off at work so nobody would steal them. Another thing is that it's really hard for me to talk a lot so early in the morning, so I think we're gonna put some rainy music vibes and see what we can create. And it's time to wrap it up and take this car to DMV. Thank you for joining me on this short, rainy shoot. I hope you liked it. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, please let me know by hitting thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next one.